we got the track again today. Got a light workout, got a race Friday. All right, today's workout, like I said, is a tune-up workout for my race on Friday, which I'm racing a 10K on the track at Linfield College in McMinnville, Oregon. So today I got 20-minute warm-up with Joe's and strides, 1x1K, no faster than 3:07, 2-minute jog rest, then 4x400 with 1-minute jog rest in between. First one at 1:14 and then 2 seconds faster each rep after that, and then 20-minute cool down. So yeah, just trying to get the legs moving. And I was fortunate enough to get a pair of the Nike Alphafly Next Percents. So I'll do an unboxing and a shoe review. I'm gonna wear them at my race on Friday. So hopefully I'll get some footage then and a review post-race as well. Alright, I'm gonna place the camera at a slightly different angle. Got 1,000 meter coming up. Alright, I'll see you guys after this rep. 3:07. It's about 75-ish, maybe a tad slower per quarter. So no killing myself. And that in 3:11 felt horrible. It's the worst I've felt forever. It's okay, because I got the rest of the week just to recompensate. I thought I could hardly breathe. Next, 2-minute jog, 4x400. And then 72. Slow down a bit. Actually, next one also needs to be 72. 1-minute jog. '71. 1-minute jog. '71 again. Feeling real shitty today. One left, minute jog rest. Running last one also in 71. God, I feel like shit. Workout's done. Felt horrible, but the good thing is that I get the next 4-ish days to super compensate. I felt like this last time, literally a couple days before I ran 10K. Even the day before, I felt absolutely horrible doing a light shake out running strides. But then when the day came and it was time to execute, I executed pretty good. I felt great. So just gotta trust the process. Don't get discouraged, and it's okay to have a bad workout here and there. It's just your body telling you that it needs rest. Cool down time. All right, 20-minute cool down. Like I said, the workout wasn't the best, but that's okay. I got the rest of the week to super compensate if you're really tired. As a matter of fact, I took a nap yesterday, I took a nap the day before that, and I took a nap the day before that. I slept probably for 9-10 hours the last 3 nights. So my body is tired. Also trying a caffeine detox, that could be it too. So I get more benefit come race day. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go enjoy my cool down on the same route I always take you guys usually. So like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for when I post my next video. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.